We are pleased to show you the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, all-wheel drive, traction control, power liftgate, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.